Yo, what's up, people? What's up? We are back again. We are back. Day 5, and we got 5 on it. Yes, I'm back with some more energy. I was a little bit sick the past 2-3 days, but I'm feeling a lot more stronger, a lot more better. So let's dive back into the 21-day challenge of blockchain fundamentals. What we got? We have homework on the Bitcoin ecosystem. So 3 questions on this one. Let's dive right into it. Question number 1: what is the difference between a SVP and a full node? SPP stands for Simplified Payment Verification. So what's the difference between a simplified payment verification and a full node? So I would say a simplified payment verification validates their own transaction and holds only a small part of the blockchain, while a full node has the full copy of the blockchain. Let's say anyway, the SVP is also connected to different nodes, so that's how it solves the invalid block problem. And an example of an SVP, or let me just say wallets in general, not all, but most wallets in general are SVPs in my view, because not all wallets has a full copy of the blockchain, but some wallets are like can be full nodes, because some wallets always download all the whole blockchain. So that's my answer for number 1. Question number 2: what does it mean when a transaction is broadcasted? Well, when a wallet issues a transaction, the information is just spread from nodes to nodes until the whole networks has the information. So it's just like a gossip, like this wallet will issue a transaction, and before you know, so the wallet is under this node, so the information gets broadcast to this node, and this node broadcasts it to this other node, and they broadcast all, before you want to know, all the other nodes have. It's just like a gossip. So that's my answer on that. Question number 3: how does a miner pick which transaction that gets added to the next block? This is very simple. Everything is about incentives, so the miner is gonna check the ching, no ching, no none, no mining. So yeah, everything depends on the fees. So the higher the fees, the more profit the miner gets. So that is the best incentive for the miners. So those were my answers on the Bitcoin ecosystem. Catch you in some few seconds on the next topic. Homework on role of wallets. Question number 1: describe in short what a Bitcoin wallet does. Well, in short, the Bitcoin wallet just holds your private and public keys. So it uses your private keys to sign off transactions, and the wallet also calculates the fees that needs to be paid. The wallet also calculates the unspent funds or transactions. Question number 2: how does a Bitcoin wallet calculate your balance? So you remember inputs, outputs. So all the outputs, so the transactions that are on the outputs, so you have in your wallet, you have different outputs, and all these outputs are then combined together, so they're added together, and the sum of it all determines the balance of your wallet. and actually to be specific, these outputs you also have to calculate what is going out, or what has been spent, and what is remaining. That's a more correct way of addressing this question. So there were just two questions on the role of wallets. That's that. And the third part, let me just dive right back into it. Also two questions. This one is homework on Bitcoin attacks. Two questions. Question number one: why is it preferred to use a hardware wallet instead of a software wallet? Well, to simplify it, a software wallet is connected to your computer, it's connected to the network, it's connected to the internet. So generally speaking, you have more risk of attacks. You have more risk of let's say virus can infiltrate your system, malwares can infiltrate your system. This is on the software side. On the hardware side, on the hardware wallet side, if you look at all this from a security standpoint, hardware is offline. So the moment you only connect your hardware to your system when you need to make a transaction. So that's the only time when your hardware wallet is connected to the let's say to the computer or to the internet, right? So in this sense, the security of your hardware wallet is much higher than the security of your software wallet, because your software wallet is more exposed to vicious attacks. Question number two: how would you use a paper wallet to sign and send transactions? By importing the private keys into a software wallet. Via the software wallet will the transactions be sent. As easy as that. That was it. See you on the next part. So I hope everything was clear. If there are questions, comment down below. If you have some things you want to add, comment down below. If you have anything else you want to say, comment down below. I'm a little bit hyped up. I just got my energy back from 3 days ill, having some stomach flu and all that ish. So I'm a little bit hyped up. So don't mind my attitude. It's just me pushing away the illness. So stay tuned for the next video. This is Victor, the crypto sniper, sniping out. Yo.